So I got my Sherrill tree BigShot that I ordered off of Amazon. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And it works great. The only thing is accuracy and pulling it down is kind of tough to do. So I searched the internet and, of course, found all sorts of videos. Here's one. This one I got a lot of ideas from. But they don't tell you, which parts that they're using. This one I got a lot of ideas from. Look at this guy. And I thought, oh man, this is going to be wonderful. So after doing some playing around, trying to figure out what parts to buy, I went to Amazon, and this is the end product. This bungee cord right here is extremely important because it'll hold up to 150 pounds easily. And then I used an archery trigger that I got. I think that was $13. And then that's connected to a ratchet pulley. That's really what I needed. So you pull that down, it locks in place, and about a 2-to-1 ratio. Now I can hold it steady, aim at my target. Now, this is where I needed to go. And doesn't appear to be very high, but in reality, it's probably 55 to 60 feet, maybe more. And getting up there and through the branches has always been a problem. So I've never been able to get that high. But watch this in slow motion. Bam.
Yes.
And that's sheer delight. And really, what I did is I hooked it up to a golf ball with a fishing line hook or pulley system. Not sure what the technical term is, but I can easily take off the golf ball.
There we go.
And I did everything with fishing string and a cheap reel. I put down some tarp and laid out all the fishing strings so there was absolutely no tension whatsoever, even though it's probably overkill. I wanted to get as much height as possible. And this was the end result. I mean, the two legs on each side are at least 60 feet or more. The center is about 45 to 50 feet.
Right to the top there.
Awesome. Well, I'll post the as much information as I can in this video so you can build your own.